Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the Nugget ice maker. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. The Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker is priced at just $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a simple ice-making solution. In contrast, the Nugget ice maker comes with a higher price tag of $199, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the Sweetcrispy is great for cost-conscious buyers, the Nugget ice maker may appeal to those willing to invest more for higher performance. When it comes to ice production, the Sweetcrispy can produce 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, totaling 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours. On the other hand, the Nugget ice maker excels with a production capacity of 35 pounds of chewable nugget ice per day. This makes the Nugget ice maker a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. The Sweetcrispy produces bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly, but may not be everyone's favorite. In contrast, the Nugget ice maker creates chewable nugget ice, which is often preferred for its texture and ability to chill beverages effectively. This difference in ice type could be a deciding factor for many users. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Nugget ice maker have their unique advantages. If you're looking for an affordable, compact ice maker, the Sweetcrispy is a solid choice. However, if you desire higher capacity and the popular Nugget ice, the Nugget ice maker is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.